Happy New Year is celebrated on 1st January every year. New Year marks the beginning of a fresh calendar year. It is celebrated throughout the world. It is celebrated just like a festival. On this day, people wear new clothes and congratulate each other with a Happy New Year. Mostly people throw parties and feasts on this day. Fireworks are also organized. They stay up late, counting down the minutes until midnight. When the clock strikes 12, people say Happy New Year to each other. On New Year Day, people set some personal goals which are called New Year resolution. This often includes dieting, exercise, quitting a bad habit, or getting better grades in school.